Get down from
I
there!
wasn't trying to eat it. I was just wondering why someone wasn't smart enough to dump this out.
Get down from there!
I thought you ate in the
I
restaurant
would,
with
but I
the
prefer
owner.
to eat al fresco. The evening air whets my appetite.
Why don't you eat on the patio, not the dumpster?
There's more of a breeze on the dumpster. The air's stagnant on the patio.
Yeah, whatever. You don't live at the restaurant. You just come around here.
How
for
can I keep
food.
up my sleek physique if I ate at every house in town?
What was that?
It's nothing. Just the aurora borealis, dumbass.
I know what that is, and that's not
If you
what
had gone
that
to
is.
Nicole, you would know what I was talking about.
I'm out of here. That ain't right. The world's coming to an end. I'm gonna die.
Tito! What a complete fluff tard. Now I can eat in peace.
I'm gonna die. I'm out of here. That ain't right. The world's coming to an end, and I'm gonna die. What are you doing up there?
Can't I eat in peace?
Where'd T-Bone go?
He got scared of the aurora borealis.
That's not the aurora borealis. It's not natural.
Oh, you don't even know what the aurora borealis is. Am I going
Where'd
to
he
have
go?
to Nicole
He doesn't like bright, shiny, booming things. Now he's gone, and it's all your fault. You gotta help me find him.
Why would I want to find him?
Because you're the only one wise enough to find him.
But of course, on one condition. I would like you to retrieve and kill a mouse for me once a day until the next full moon.
That's an awful lot of mice. I can't.
Just promise to bring the mice, and I will help you look for T-Bone.
Okay, I'll do it. T-Bone! T-Bone!
T-Bone! T-Bone!
I'm gonna die. I'm out of here. The world's coming to end, and I'm gonna die. Get back here. Jeannie's got food for you. There's a mouse under the porch. It's got your name on it. You won't even find my bones. The coyotes will eat me alive. I won't eat it, I promise. I'll leave it for you. But you gotta come back.
T-Bone.
Otherwise I will eat it. Because I'm hungry.
T-Bone!
T-Bone. T-Bone. There he is.
Oh no, that's not him.
There he is. I know
No,
him.
no,
There's
that's not him.
no.
That's another
Nobody's
kid.
as fat as he is.
No,
Don't get in
T-Bone
the
the other
car.
way.
Don't.
No.
Don't. Hey, you. Hey, you guys. Hey, I need a ride. My world's running to an end. Yes, thanks. Elsie's in that. Elsie, they're taking
Bye,
him away.
T-Bone. Have a good trip.
How are we gonna get him back?
Oh, such a worry wart. He'll be fine. He's just going on an adventure.
T-Bone doesn't know how to catch mice.
Don't worry about him.
All he does is go to his bowl and eat. He knows nothing. He's clueless. He knows not.
He's gonna have a blast.
Jeannie's gonna kill me.